And moving on now, the Congress party has asked its Rajasthan unit for the list of all prominent temples in Rajasthan. It looks like Rahul Gandhi is going to continue with his temple hopping strategy. You would remember how he visited nearly 27 temples in Gujarat as a part of its election campaign. And the Congress also, out of 87 assembly seats which are influenced by temples, managed to win 47 of these seats. Now they're hoping for a similar strategy to run in Rajasthan for the next elections. And yes, which is why the AICC has asked the Rajasthan unit of the Congress to submit the details of the temples in Rajasthan. And remember, the information we are getting is that it's not just Rajasthan, but even Karnataka and other states have been asked to submit this list. We have more reactions coming in from the Congress and BJP. Let's listen in.
See, visiting religious places should not concern any political party, any other political party. And so far as your question is related that there has been a requirement for the temples and other religious places and tourist places from the center, I'm not sure about that. But farmers, so this is nothing that shows that we are promoting something that should concern other people. So I think it's insignificant. And if some people are taking meanings out of it, then that's their business. See, the BJP President Rajasthan himself is in dock. He is being questioned by the people as well as by the media for his acts. So he has no authority to speak against the policies of the Congress party. And whenever he comes out with such speeches, we have been saying that please appoint some spokespersons so that they can deliver the best message you want to give. Otherwise, it seems that the BJP President playing the role of spokesperson in the state.
देखिए, हमने तो पहले कहा देर आए सवेर आए। जो कांग्रेस आज तक पूरे देश में तुष्टीकरण की राजनीति कर रही थी, कम से कम देश की जनता ने उनको आईना दिखा दिया कि इस देश में तुष्टीकरण की राजनीति नहीं चलेगी। सबको एक समान रूप से लेकर के चलना पड़ेगा। जो हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री आदरणीय नरेंद्र भाई मोदी जी सबको एक साथ लेकर के चल रही हैं। राजस्थान प्रदेश की मुख्यमंत्री आदरणीय वसुंधरा राजे जी ने हमेशा एक ही बात की कि हम 27 की 37 की 37, 36 की 36 कौमों को साथ लेकर के चलेंगे। तो ये एक उनको मैसेज पूरा देश की जनता ने दे दिया आज कांग्रेस को बाहर करके। यदि वो मंदिरों में जाते हैं तो स्वागत है उनका।
And Varun, my colleague, is now live with us on this broadcast. Varun, the Congress might try to brush this aside, but it is very, very clear that Rahul Gandhi wants to use this strategy in Rajasthan as well, and he is going to continue with his temple hopping, is what it looks like.
See, after Gujarat, Rahul Gandhi thinks that this strategy will work in Rajasthan, and that's why they have called for all the database of all the temples in Rajasthan, and all the district coordinators and as well as the state coordinators has given him all the data that what are all are the temples in Rajasthan. But state president of BJP has clearly to say that this will make more defeat numbers for Congress.
Right, and of course,
yes.
Varun, we are waiting to see if this brings Rahul Gandhi the much required luck. Of course, we saw, and like he thinks that in Gujarat, out of 87 assembly seats which are majorly affected by temples, 47 seats they managed to win. But give us a picture of how it is in Rajasthan, because they have asked for a list of the prominent temples. So which are the assembly seats which are primarily dominated by temples?
See, there are many seats where there are big temple places and big tourist places there. Like in Jaisalmer, there is Delwara temple. Like in Udaipur, there is Nathdwara as well as Rajsamand temples. And in many places, temples are there. But really, in Rajasthan politics, temple could not affect, the vote bank. As far as we have seen the politics in Rajasthan till now, the temple politics will not work here. As far as we have heard from the political activists as well as the political people, they have clearly to say that Rajasthan politics will not affected by these temples. Right.
Varun, you continue to keep a very close eye on that. Of course, we'll come back to you as this develops further. But for now, it's time for us to sip into a short commercial break.